How to live debt-free? Welcome to Be a Baby Billionaire. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, constantly weighed down by the burden of debt? We are talking about bad debt here. Do you dream of financial freedom and the ability to live life on your own terms? If so, you're not alone. Countless individuals are seeking ways to break free from the shackles of debt and achieve true financial independence. In this video, we will explore the secrets to living debt-free and provide you with the tools you need to make it a reality. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and unlock the secret to living debt-free, keep watching. Understanding the psychological impact of debt. Grasping the full spectrum of debt's influence on our psyche is pivotal in our quest for financial liberation. The burden of debt extends far beyond the numbers in our bank accounts, seeping into the very fabric of our daily lives. It cultivates a relentless undercurrent of stress and worry, casting a shadow over our happiness and peace of mind. This financial strain can insidiously erode our mental resilience, impacting not just our personal well-being, but also spilling over into our interactions with loved ones and our productivity in professional environments. Acknowledging this profound psychological toll is the first step towards empowerment. It enables us to approach our financial situation with a deeper understanding and compassion for ourselves. This is not just about numbers, it's about recognizing the emotional battle that accompanies the journey towards being debt-free. The stress induced by debt can lead us into a vicious cycle where financial pressures impact our mental health, which in turn can lead to decisions that further exacerbate our financial difficulties. Understanding this dynamic is crucial. It allows us to break the cycle by implementing strategies that address both our financial health and our mental well-being simultaneously. This dual approach not only accelerates our progress towards freedom from debt, but also enhances our overall quality of life, making the journey a transformative experience beyond just achieving a zero balance. By shining a light on the psychological impact of debt, we empower ourselves to tackle it with a comprehensive strategy that addresses our financial habits and their emotional underpinnings. Crafting a bulletproof budget. Embarking on the journey toward a debt-free life, the cornerstone of our strategy lies in constructing a resilient budget. This endeavor is more than a mere financial exercise. It's a profound commitment to redefining our relationship with money. A bulletproof budget is our roadmap, guiding us through the financial wilderness with clarity and purpose. To begin, we meticulously track every expenditure, no matter how insignificant it might seem. This tracking is not an act of austerity, but an exercise in awareness, helping us to illuminate the contours of our spending habits. Armed with this insight, we then identify opportunities to streamline our expenses. These are not merely cuts, but strategic reallocations of our resources, designed to fuel our progress toward freedom from debt. It's essential to set achievable, realistic financial goals, ensuring that our budget is not a rigid cage, but a flexible framework that adapts to our evolving needs. Every dollar saved is a soldier in our battle against debt, marching us closer to victory. Investing the time to craft this budget pays dividends in our quest for financial liberation. It transforms our approach from reactive to proactive, placing us in the driver's seat of our financial journey. We are no longer at the mercy of our impulses, but are guided by a clear vision of our priorities and objectives. A bulletproof budget is not a static document, but a living, breathing plan that grows and changes as we do. It requires regular review and adjustment, ensuring it remains aligned with our goals and responsive to life's inevitable changes. This dynamic approach to budgeting empowers us to navigate the challenges and opportunities on the path to living debt-free, providing a foundation of financial stability upon which we can build a future of prosperity and peace. The Snowball Method explained. Diving into the realm of strategic debt elimination, the Snowball Method emerges as a beacon of hope and progression. This approach, akin to gathering momentum with each step, starts with a focus on extinguishing the smallest debt first, while maintaining minimum payments on other debts. It's a method that not only simplifies the debt repayment process. Imagine each debt as a hurdle in a race. By targeting the smallest hurdle first, we gain the speed and confidence needed to leap over larger obstacles. This psychological win is crucial. As we witness the tangible results of our efforts, the elimination of debts one by one, our belief in the possibility of a debt-free existence strengthens. The initial victory over a smaller debt fuels our determination, propelling us forward with increased vigor and focus. As we systematically conquer each debt, the funds previously allocated to settled accounts are redirected to the next smallest debt. This creates a compounding effect, a financial snowball that grows larger and rolls faster as it moves down the hill. The beauty of this method lies not just in its simplicity, but in its ability to transform a seemingly insurmountable task into a series of manageable, achievable goals. Implementing the snowball method does more than rearrange numbers on a spreadsheet. It reconfigures our approach to financial obstacles. This strategy empowers us to remain steadfast and disciplined, knowing that with each debt cleared, we edge closer to the pinnacle of financial freedom. It's a journey marked not by the weight of our debts, but by the lightness of our triumphs, as we navigate the path to living debt-free with confidence and clarity. Generating additional income streams. In the modern economy, the traditional 9-to-5 job is no longer the sole avenue to financial stability and success. The advent of the digital age has ushered in unprecedented opportunities to enhance our earning potential. Diversifying your income streams is akin to constructing a more robust financial portfolio. It mitigates risks and maximizes returns. This strategy is instrumental in our journey to live debt-free, providing us with a buffer that accelerates the repayment of debts and fosters wealth accumulation. The quest for additional income streams demands creativity and a willingness to step outside of comfort zones. It could mean leveraging your skills in a freelance capacity, embracing the gig economy, or turning a hobby into a profitable venture. Each of these paths offers a unique blend of challenges and rewards, requiring dedication and a proactive mindset. However, the essence of this endeavor is not merely to work more, but to work smarter. By identifying opportunities aligned with our passions and strengths, we can generate income in a way that is both fulfilling and sustainable. Embracing this multifaceted approach to earning not only expedites our escape from debt, but also enriches our lives with variety and a sense of empowerment. It teaches us the value of resilience, adaptability, and the pursuit of growth, both personal and financial. As we cultivate these additional income streams, we bolster our defenses against the unpredictability of life, ensuring that our financial goals remain within reach, irrespective of external circumstances. This empowerment forms a critical pillar in the foundation of a debt-free life, symbolizing not just freedom from financial liabilities, but also the attainment of a richer, more autonomous existence. Navigating negotiations with creditors. In the quest to liberate ourselves from the grasp of debt, a crucial step is mastering the art of negotiation with creditors. It's a step that demands both courage and strategy, encouraging us to face our financial realities head-on while seeking a collaborative path forward. Creditors, contrary to popular belief, often prefer negotiation to the alternative of defaulted loans. They are open to dialogue and, more importantly, to devising a repayment plan that aligns with your financial capacity. Initiating this conversation requires preparation. First, thoroughly assess your financial landscape. Understand not just your debts, but also your income, expenses, and potential areas for adjustment. Equipped with this knowledge, approach your creditors with transparency and a constructive proposal. Whether it's adjusting your payment schedule, reducing interest rates, or temporarily pausing payments, the goal is to create a plan that is realistic for your situation, ensuring that you can adhere to it over time. Engaging in these negotiations is not an admission of defeat, but a strategic step towards regaining control over your finances. It demonstrates a proactive mindset, signaling to creditors your commitment to resolving the debt. Remember, communication is key. Maintain an open, ongoing dialogue with your creditors, updating them on your financial status as necessary. This approach not only aids in building trust, but also in potentially. This journey through negotiation is an empowering aspect of the debt-free path. It reinforces the importance of advocacy for oneself and the understanding that financial freedom is not just about eliminating debt, but also about navigating the complexities of our financial systems with confidence and grace. Embracing a minimalist lifestyle for maximum impact. The minimalist lifestyle, often perceived as a mere trend, holds profound potential for those on a quest to live debt-free. It's a philosophy that challenges the conventional measure of success and wealth, urging us to find value not in accumulation, but in the essence of simplicity and intentionality. This shift towards minimalism is not about deprivation, but about recalibrating our priorities, enabling a laser-focused approach to financial independence. By adopting a minimalist approach, we meticulously scrutinize our spending habits, questioning each expense's contribution to our life's quality and our long-term goals. It's an exercise in discernment, distinguishing between what we want momentarily and what we genuinely need for a fulfilling life. This scrutiny often reveals that our greatest sources of satisfaction and joy don't carry a price tag. Instead, they're found in experiences, relationships, and personal growth. In the context of debt elimination, minimalism acts as a powerful tool. It liberates financial resources that can be redirected towards reducing debts more swiftly, illustrating that living with less can indeed mean more when it comes to financial freedom. Moreover, this lifestyle encourages the development of skills and habits, such as creativity, problem-solving, and resilience, that are invaluable in navigating the path to a debt-free existence. Embracing minimalism is, at its core, a commitment to intentional living. It invites us to forge a life marked by purpose rather than possessions, steering us towards true financial liberation. As we journey towards living debt-free, adopting a minimalist lifestyle illuminates the road ahead, ensuring that every step taken is one of meaning and impact. Safeguarding your future with an emergency fund. Establishing an emergency fund is akin to building a fortress around your financial well-being. It's a proactive measure that ensures your path toward a debt-free life is not only embarked upon, but steadfastly protected. This fund acts as a buffer against the unpredictable waves of life, providing a sense of security that enables you to make decisions from a place of strength rather than desperation. The essence of this strategy is in its simplicity and foresight. By systematically allocating a portion of your income to a designated savings account, you cultivate a resource that stands guard over your financial goals. This isn't just about having money set aside. It's about creating a psychological peace of mind that comes from knowing you're prepared for the unforeseen. In the dynamics of achieving a debt-free status, an emergency fund is your ally, preventing the need to accrue new debt when unexpected expenses arise. Whether it's a medical emergency, sudden home repairs, or the loss of income, this fund ensures that such incidents do not force you back into the cycle of debt. Initiating this practice requires discipline and a commitment to your future self. It's about prioritizing your long-term financial health over immediate gratifications, recognizing that the ultimate reward is the freedom and stability that comes with living debt-free. An emergency fund is not just a financial strategy, it's a cornerstone of a resilient, empowered life. Time for the soft question. What steps have you taken to reduce your debt burden and be debt-free in the next few years? Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. This will help everyone learn and grow together. Subscribe with us and learn. If you find the information in this video valuable, please subscribe and share it with family and friends. Your support will help us create many more high-quality videos like this. Please support us. Hit the like button and the notification bell to be notified. Click on these 2 videos shown here to explore even more. The contents of this video are for educational and informational purposes only. Thank you for watching.